Tired of worrying about online privacy on your iPhone? Or struggling to access your favorite content when traveling? With Potatso and IPRoyal's SOCKS5 Proxies, you can browse the web safely, privately, and without restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to set up this powerful combo in just a few minutes. Ready to take control of your online experience? Let's dive in. If you're finding this helpful and want more tech tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. Before I walk you through the proxy setup, I want to ensure you know everything Potatso offers so you can make the most of it. With Potatso, you get real-time traffic monitoring, smart routing, and support for protocols like SOCKS5, making it perfect for private browsing. Now, let's get started with the proxy setup. I'm assuming you already have Potatso on your iOS device, but if not, you can easily download it from the App Store. 1. Let's open Potatso together. Follow me on screen and tap the Add a Proxy button here. 2. Next, tap Add under Manual Input, just like this. 3. Now tap Type and select SOCKS5 from the list. You can follow along on my screen. 4. Let's switch to your IPRoyal dashboard. First, select the proxy type you want to use here. I'm choosing our high-end residential proxies from California, the US, with SOCKS5 support and rotating IPs. 5. Now scroll down to find your proxy credentials. Watch as I locate the host name, port, username, and password. 6. Back in Potatso, copy your hostname and port into the corresponding fields. Under Authentication, select Password and add your username and password. Make sure everything looks good, then tap Save. 7. Now, let's get your proxy up and running. Tap the play button in the bottom right corner right here. 8. A prompt will pop up asking for your confirmation. Tap Allow. 9. Once the setup is complete, you'll notice a VPN icon in your status bar. That's your confirmation that the proxy is active. To double check, head over to our IP lookup page or a similar site to confirm your IP address has changed. Follow along as I verify mine. 10. When you're done, stopping the proxy is just as easy. Tap the Stop button here. As long as you use reliable SOCKS5 proxies like our residential ones, you can count on a seamless proxy setup and management. With over 32 million ethically sourced, genuine IPs from 195 countries, custom IP rotation, and precise geo-targeting at no extra charges, our residential proxy service is the best choice for Potatso. On top of that, our residential proxies offer benefits like non-expiring traffic, flexible pay-as-you-go plan with no traffic order limits, and generous bulk discounts, making them the most cost-effective option. But if you're looking for more choices, we also offer fast, reliable SOCKS5 supported data center, ISP, and mobile proxy servers, suitable for Potatso and any other similar app. Don't wait to level up your online privacy. Head over to IPRoyal.com now and set up your proxies today. Your secure browsing journey starts here. Not sure how to set up a proxy on your iPhone? No worries. Check out this video where we show you how to set it up easily. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials and hit the bell icon. See you soon.